Hello! Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy you are here with us today.
I am Emma.
And I am Leo.
On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English through slow, clear, and natural conversations.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. It really helps us.
Let us get started.
So, Emma, how are you today?
I am good, thank you. I feel a little excited.
I am okay, but I am a little stressed.
Oh no, why are you stressed?
I used a map app this morning and I turned the map upside down.
So you got lost?
Yes, I was looking for the subway station, but I walked the wrong way for 10 minutes.
Talking about getting lost is a good start, but now let us talk about asking for directions in English.
Today, we will practice how do I get to and is it far?
And we will use verbs like go, turn, cross, take, walk, follow, and find.
Okay, I am outside the subway station. I need to go to the City Museum. Excuse me, how do I get to the City Museum?
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Then turn left at the coffee shop.
Turn left at the coffee shop.
After that, cross the street at the traffic light.
Cross the street at the traffic light. Okay.
Finally, the museum is on your left, next to the park.
It is on my left, next to the park. That sounds easy.
If you don't understand, say, sorry, can you say that again, slowly?
Yes, please. Slowly. My brain needs a warm-up.
Another helpful line is, just follow the signs.
Just follow the signs. Perfect.
Now ask me one more time. Is it far?
Is it far?
No, it's about a 10-minute walk.
10 minutes. I can do that, unless I flip the map again.
Oh no, what happens when you flip it?
Last time I accidentally walked into a wedding photo shoot, and I didn't know what to do.
You walked into a wedding photo shoot? What did you say?
I froze. I said, sorry. Then I said, congratulations, even though I was not sure it was the right moment.
That is actually polite. But today, let us help you not get lost again.
Yes, please. My confidence is shaking a little.
When you stop someone, say, excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Good. Then ask, how do I get to the City Museum?
How do I get to the City Museum?
And if you want to check distance, say, is it far?
Is it far?
Now listen and repeat. Go straight, then turn right at the bookstore.
Go straight, then turn right at the bookstore.
Walk past the bank, then cross the street at the traffic light.
Walk past the bank, then cross the street at the traffic light.
The City Museum is on your right, across from the park.
The City Museum is on my right, across from the park.
If you are confused, you can say, sorry, can you say that again, slowly?
Sorry, can you say that again, slowly?
You can also say, could you repeat that, please? It is very common.
Could you repeat that, please?
And if you need help with the direction, say, can you point? Or can you show me?
Can you point? Can you show me?
Great. You can also confirm, so I go straight, then I turn left. Is that right?
So I go straight, then I turn left. Is that right?
Exactly. That sounds natural.
It feels like a seatbelt for my brain.
Now let us do a short role play. You are lost, but calm.
Okay. Excuse me, how do I get to the subway station?
It is not far. Go straight and turn left at the coffee shop. It is on your left.
Go straight and turn left at the coffee shop. It's on my left.
Perfect. And at the end, say, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Nice. Now, what will you do if the person speaks fast?
Oh no, I will smile, but inside I will panic. What can I say?
If they speak fast, say, sorry, I am still learning English. Can you speak more slowly?
Sorry, I am still learning English. Can you speak more slowly?
Very good. That sentence is friendly and honest.
I like it. It feels safe.
Another simple line is, sorry, I did not catch that.
Sorry, I did not catch that.
Yes, that is very natural. People say it all the time.
Okay, but what if someone gives me a lot of steps and I forget?
Then you ask for a smaller piece. You can say, what is the first step?
What is the first step?
Or, can you tell me again from the beginning?
Can you tell me again from the beginning?
Great. Now let us practice a longer direction, but we will keep it clear.
Okay, I'm ready. I will focus.
Excuse me, how do I get to the City Museum?
Excuse me, how do I get to the City Museum?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right at the bookstore.
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right at the bookstore.
Walk past the bank, cross the street at the traffic light.
Walk past the bank, cross the street at the traffic light.
Take the second left, then follow the road until you see a big park.
Take the second left, then follow the road until I see a big park.
The museum is next to the park. It is on your left.
The museum is next to the park. It is on my left.
Nice. Now confirm it in one sentence.
So I go straight for 2 blocks, turn right at the bookstore, walk past the bank, cross at the traffic light, take the second left, and follow the road to the park. Then the museum is on my left. Is that right?
That is excellent.
I feel proud of myself.
You should. Now let us add one more useful phrase. How long does it take to walk there?
How long does it take to walk there?
Great. And another. Can I take the subway?
Can I take the subway?
Yes. Sometimes walking is easy, but the subway is faster.
I want the subway. My legs are tired today.
Then you can ask, which line should I take?
Which line should I take?
Good. But be careful. Do not flip the map.
I will try. But my phone is tricky. Sometimes it rotates by itself.
Then you can say, my phone is confused. That line always works.
My phone is confused. Yes, that is my life.
Let us practice a real situation. You are near the subway station and you need the City Museum.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What are you looking for?
How do I get to the City Museum? Is it far?
It is not far. Maybe 10 minutes on foot. Go straight until you see a big intersection, then turn left.
Go straight until I see a big intersection, then turn left.
Walk past the pharmacy. Cross the street at the traffic light. Then follow the park on your right side.
Walk past the pharmacy, cross at the traffic light, then follow the park on my right side.
The museum will be on your left, right after the park entrance.
On my left, right after the park entrance. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Until you see is very common. Another phrase is, you cannot miss it.
You cannot miss it. But I can miss anything.
Then ask, am I going the right way?
Am I going the right way?
Small challenge. I will mix left and right one time. Catch it.
Oh no. Okay. I will listen carefully.
Go straight for 1 block, turn left at the bank, and the museum is on your left.
Wait, if I turn left at the bank, the museum might not be on my left. Can you point, please?
Nice catch. Yes, I will point. It is that way.
Thank you. Pointing helps so much.
Use landmarks like bank, park, coffee shop. They are easier than street names.
Yes, street names disappear from my brain fast.
If you want the subway, ask, which line should I take and which exit?
Which line should I take? Which exit?
I need those because I do not want another wedding photo shoot accident. Now you give me directions and I will pretend I am lost.
Oh, okay. Let me try. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. Where do I need to go?
How do you get to the subway station from here?
Yes. How do I get there? Is it far?
It is not far. Go straight for 1 block.
Go straight for 1 block.
Then turn right at the coffee shop.
Turn right at the coffee shop.
Walk past the bookstore. Then cross the street at the traffic light.
Walk past the bookstore, then cross the street at the traffic light.
The subway station is on your left, next to the pharmacy.
On my left, next to the pharmacy. Great.
You cannot miss it.
That sounds natural, and you used clear steps.
I feel like a real local.
Now let us practice fixing mistakes, because mistakes happen in real life.
Oh, yes, mistakes are my specialty.
If you say the wrong direction, you can correct yourself like this. Sorry, I mean turn right.
Sorry, I mean turn right.
Or actually, turn left.
Actually, turn left.
Great. Now let us do a funny one. You are giving directions, but you realize you flipped the map again.
Oh, no. Okay. Excuse me, how do I get to the City Museum?
Yes. How do I get to the City Museum?
Go straight, then turn right. Wait, my map is upside down.
Then what do you say?
I say, sorry, let me check again.
Perfect. That is very real.
Sorry, let me check again.
Then you can say, I think it is this way.
I think it is this way.
If you are not sure, you can be honest. You can say, I'm not sure, but I think it is.
I'm not sure, but I think it is to the left.
Good. Another helpful line is, you can ask someone at the station.
You can ask someone at the station.
Now we will do a quick repeat practice of the most important phrases.
Yes, please. I want to lock them in.
Repeat after me. Excuse me,
Excuse me.
how do I get to the city museum?
How do I get to the city museum?
Is it far?
Is it far?
Go straight.
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Cross the street.
Cross the street.
It is on your left.
It is on your left.
It is on your right.
It is on your right.
Great. Next, we will practice a short natural conversation you can use today.
Yes. I want something I can copy in my head and use right away.
Exactly. Let us make it simple and natural.
Okay.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I am trying to find the city museum. How do I get there?
The city museum? Yes, it is not far.
Great, thank you.
Go straight for about 5 minutes.
Okay, go straight for about 5 minutes.
Then turn left at the coffee shop.
Turn left at the coffee shop.
Walk past the bank. Cross the street at the traffic light.
Walk past the bank. Cross at the traffic light.
After you cross, you will see a big park. The museum is next to the park on your left.
Next to the park on my left.
Yes, you cannot miss it.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You are welcome. You too.
That conversation is short, polite, and very common in daily life.
I like it. It feels friendly, not like a textbook.
Now, let us add one more very real thing. Sometimes the person answers with a question.
Oh, yes. Like, where are you right now?
Exactly. Or, do you mean the new museum or the old museum?
That would confuse me.
Then you can say, I mean the one near the park.
I mean the one near the park.
Or, I mean the one on Green Street.
I mean the one on Green Street.
Another common question is, are you walking or taking the subway?
Are you walking or taking the subway?
Then you answer, I am walking, or I am taking the subway.
I am walking. I am taking the subway.
Great. And if you want to be extra polite, you can add, sorry to bother you.
Sorry to bother you.
People say that a lot, especially in busy cities.
I will use that. It sounds very natural.
Now we will review the key words and phrases again, but in a smooth way, like a quick recap.
Yes, please. My brain loves recaps.
Verbs, go, turn, cross, take, walk, follow, find.
Go, turn, cross, take, walk, follow, find.
Phrases, how do I get to? Is it far? Go straight, turn left, turn right, cross the street. It is on your left, it is on your right.
How do I get to? Is it far? Go straight. Turn left, turn right, cross the street. It is on your left, it is on your right.
Nice. And safety phrases, sorry, can you say that again, slowly? I did not catch that. Can you point?
Sorry, can you say that again, slowly? I did not catch that.
Can you point? Perfect. Next, we will do a short shadowing style practice, so you can speak with more rhythm.
Oh, yes. Shadowing. I like that. It helps me sound more natural.
Exactly. Everyone, please practice out loud. Do not be shy. Even if you feel silly, it is okay.
I always feel a little silly, but I do it anyway.
Great attitude. Now we will say each line 2 times. First time slow, second time a little faster.
Okay, let's do it.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me. Can you help me?
How do I get to the city museum?
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 Is it far?
Is it far?
Is it far?
Is it far?
Go straight for 2 blocks.
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 Turn left at the coffee shop.
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 Cross the street at the traffic light.
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 The museum is on your left, next to the park.
The museum is on your left, next to the park.
The museum is on your left, next to the park.
The museum is on your left, next to the park.
Sorry, I did not catch that. Can you say it again, slowly?
Sorry, I did not catch that. Can you say it again, slowly?
Sorry, I did not catch that. Can you say it again slowly?
Sorry, I did not catch that. Can you say it again slowly?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Great job. If you repeated with us, you are training your mouth and your ears at the same time.
Yes, and if you want extra practice, pause the video and repeat again.
Now, Leo, do you feel more confident?
Yes, I do. I feel like I can survive outside now.
Good. Just keep your phone map right side up.
I will. Actually, I'll lock the screen rotation. That's my new life plan.
Smart. Now we will end with question of the day, so everyone can practice in the comments.
Yes, please answer. We read your comments.
Question of the day, where do you often go in your city? Give one place and one reason.
For example, I often go to the park because it helps me relax.
Or, I often go to a coffee shop because I like the quiet atmosphere.
Your turn. Write your answer in the comments. Try to use simple English.
And if you want, also write one direction sentence, like go straight, then turn left.
Yes, practice makes progress.
Next, we'll do a short closing and remind you of the key phrases one last time.
Okay, before we go, let us do one last quick recap, because repetition is the secret.
Yes, keep it simple, keep it real.
Key question: how do I get to the City Museum?
Key distance check. Is it far?
Key steps: go straight, turn left, turn right, cross the street.
Key location. It is on your left, it is on your right, it is next to the park.
Key helplines: sorry, I did not catch that. Can you say that again slowly? Can you point?
Perfect. If you can say those lines, you can handle most direction situations in English.
And you will feel more confident traveling, studying, and living in a new place.
One more tip. When you practice, speak out loud, even if it's just 1 minute a day.
Yes, 1 minute is better than 0 minutes. Small steps, big results.
I love that.
And remember my story. If you flip the map, you might end up in a wedding photo shoot.
Or you might walk in the opposite direction with full confidence.
That's the worst part. Full confidence, wrong direction.
So if you're not sure, stop and ask. People usually want to help.
And if you're nervous, just start with "excuse me." It's a magic word.
Exactly. Okay, everyone, thank you for practicing with us today.
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more easy English conversation practice.
And don't forget to answer the question of the day in the comments. Where do you often go in your city and why?
We can't wait to read your answers.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now. Take care.